Well, we are still in lesson 22 in our addition review, and we left off adding 3 numbers at a time. We did 5 and 8 and 7. We added those up and got 20. So now we're going to pick up right where we left off on the next problem, which is going to be we're going to add 2 and 3 and 9. So 2 and 3 and 9. So let's add those up. 2 and 3 are how many? 5. 5 and 9 are 14. About 3 and 3 and 7. 3 and 3 and 7. Let's add those. 3 and 3 are 6. 6 and 7 are 13. Alright. Let's do 5 and 5 and 6. 5 and 5 and 6. How many are 5 and 5? That's 10, right? Well, 10 and 6 are 16. Alright, let's do 5 and 5 and 8. 5 and 5 and 8. Well, 5 and 5 are 10. They're still 10. And 10 and 8 are 18. Very good. Okay. 4 and 7 and 8. 4 and 7 and 8. How many are 4 and 7? That's 11. 11 and 8 are 19. Let's do 3 and 6 and 8. 3 and 6 and 8. 3 and 6 are 9. 9 and 8 are 17. Okay, let's do 3 and 3 and 3. That's an interesting one. 3 and 3 are 6. 6 and 3 are 9. Let me do my 9 over. Okay. 4 and 2 and 5. 4 and 2 and 5. 4 and 2 are 6. 6 and 5 are 11. Alright, 4 and 7 and 7. That's what we're going to add next. 4 and 7 and 7. How many are 4 and 7? Is that 11? Well, 11 and 7 are 18. Okay, how about 4 and 4 and 9? Let's add 4 and 4 and 9. 4 and 4 are 8. 8 and 9 are 17. How many are 4 and 5 and 7? 4 and 5 and 7. Well, 4 and 5 are 9. 9 and 7 are 16. Are these getting easier? They should with practice. 3 and 7 and 7. 3 and 7 and 7. How many are 3 and 7? That's 10, right? 10 and 7 are 17. Okay. 2 and 4 and 8. 2 and 4 and 8. 2 and 4 are 6. 6 and 8 are 14. How about 5 and 6 and 7? That's what we'll do next. 5 and 6 and 7. 5 and 6 are 11. 11 and 7 are 18. Alright, let's go to the next board. 3 and 4 and 4. 3 and 4 and 4. 3 and 4 are 7. 7 and 4 are 11. Okay. Let's do 3 and 7 and 8. 3 and 7 and 8. How many are 3 and 7? That's 10. 10 and 8 are 18. Pardon me. 2 and 5 and 9. 2 and 5 and 9. 2 and 5 are 7. 7 and 9 are 16. Let's do 5 and 6 and 9. Let's add 5 and 6 and 9. 5 and 6 are 11. 11 and 9 are 20. There's that big 20 again. How about 2 and 5 and 8? 2 and 5 and 8. How many are 2 and 5? That's 7. 7 and 8 are 15. Let me do my 5 over again. All right. How about 3 and 3 and 9? 3 and 3 and 9. 3 and 3 are 6, 6 and 9 are, hey, that's 15 too. Okay. 6 and 4 and 3. 6 and 4 and 3. Well, 6 and 4 is what, 10? 10 and 3 are 13. How about 3 and 4 and 7? 3 and 4 and 7. 3 and 4 are 7. 7 and 7 are 14. Alrighty, up at the top here, let's do 4 and 4 and 7. How many are 4 and 4 and 7? Well, 4 and 4 are 8. 8 and 7 are 15. How about 5 and 7 and 7? Let's add those next. 5 and 7 and 7. 5 and 7 are 12. 12 and 7 are, how much? 19? That is right. 3 and 4 and 8. 3 and 4 and 8. How many are 3 and 4? Well, that's 7. 7 and 8 are 15. A lot of these are adding up to 15, aren't they? How about 6 and 6 and 8? 6 and 6 and 8. Well, 6 and 6 are 12. 12 and 8 are 20. How about 4 and 4 and 8? 4 and 4 and 8. 4 and 4 are 8. 8 and 8 are 16. All right, 2 and 5 and 6. 2 and 5 and 6. 2 and 5 are 7. 7 and 6 are, what? 13. 3 and 4 and 9. 3 and 4 and 9. 3 and 4 are 7. 7 and 9 are 16. All right. All right, for the last part of this review, lesson 22, we're going to do some counting. We're going to have some fun counting by 2s, 3s, 4s, and 5s. Let me show you what I mean. All right, so let's say we start with 1, and what we're going to do is we're going to skip every other number. We're going to count by 2s until we get to 19. Let me show you what I mean. So we start with 1, and we count by 2s to 19. It's going to go like this. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, oops, just a moment. Couldn't get my pen, kept jamming. 11, 13, 15, 17, and 19. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. That's how we count by 2s from 1 to 19. Okay, we're not going any higher than 20 for now. Let's try counting by 3s next. We'll start with 1, just like we did. We're going to count every third number now instead of every other one. So we're going to count by 3s, and we're going to stop at 19. So here we go. So 1, then the next one's going to be 4. 1, 4, what would be next? So we're counting by 3s. Next one's going to be 7, and then 10, and then 13, and then 16, and then 19. See how we're doing that? We're counting by 3s. Well, let's try that again, counting by 4s. We'll start at 1 again, and we'll count by 4s. Here we go. You ready? 1, next one's going to be 5, because we're counting by 4s. So 1, 5, what would be the next one? 9, and then 13, and then 17. We got there. Stop right there. Next we're going to count by 5s. Let's see, we're going to start at 1 again, and we're going to count by 5s up to 16. Well, this is going to be a pretty short count. Watch. 1, and then the next number we count up 5, it's going to be 6. 5 more is going to be 11, and then 5 more is going to be 16. So 1, 6, 11, 16. That's how you count from 1 to 16 by 5s. Let's try counting by twos. From 2 to 20, let's try that. So let's say we start with 2. We're going to count by twos all the way to 20. You ready? Here we go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Can we squeeze 20 in there? Yeah. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. We just counted by twos up to 20. All right. How about counting by threes? Let's try that next. We're going to count by threes to 18. So we start at 3, go 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. There, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. That's counting by threes up to 18. All right, let's do another one. Let's try counting by fours to 20. That shouldn't take us too long. We start with 4. Make my 4 again. 4, we're going to count by fours up to 20. Here we go. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. There you have it. Counted by fours up to 20. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Let's count by fives to 20. So we're going to start with 5. And we're going to go 5, 10, 15, 20. Stop. We made it. All right, see how easy that is? It's kind of fun. How about counting? Let's start at 2 and count by threes up to 20. Just give us some practice counting numbers. 2, and we're going to count by threes up to 20. Here we go. Ready? 2. Next one's going to be 5, 8, 11, 14, 17, 20. Okay, that's how you do that. Counting by threes up to 20. Let's try counting by fours, the same thing. We're going to start at 2, and we're going to count by fours up to 18. 2, 6, 10, 14, 18. So we just counted by fours from 2 up to 18. See how that goes? Let's try counting by fives. We're going to start at 2 again, and we're going to count by fives up to 17. Here we go. 2, 7, 12, 17. Short count. But that was counting by fives from 2 to 17. Let's try. Okay, the last one here is going to be, we're going to start at 3. We want to count by fours to 19. Let's see. We're going to count by 4, so the next one is going to be 7, and then 11, and then 15, and then 19 right there. So counting by fours from 3 to 19, it's 3, 7, 11, 15, 19. All right. Well, that's where we'll stop with our review in Lesson 22. We will do Lesson 23 next time, which is going to be some fun word problems. So next time when you get together, we'll see you, and meanwhile you can always go to our website for information on Ray's Arithmetic, and don't forget, of course, to check out our YouTube channel and view the videos, like them if you like them, and see what other things we have on our site. You can follow us on Twitter, but meanwhile we will see you for Lesson 23.